Hey, what's up YouTube? It's JSD1243 and today I'm going to show you how to make the Elmo contacts. So if you got any, you have at least 9 layers. You see in this video. So you delete your layers you already have. You go all the way over, I don't know what page it is. One of the pages and you get this thing, I forgot what but it's a weird name, what it's called, so I don't really know how to pronounce it. But select it and make it red. Then go all the way over to the left, to the first page, and it's the circle. Put that on the top layer, make it white, and then lower it down where it just fits right over the those little black eyes. Whatever they are. I don't know. You just need to make it just right, just the right size. Yeah. So I'll be back after I put my eyes on. I'll talk again, tell you what to do next. And then you make another one, same color, or else it won't look right. And then you make the exact same size. And it's not the exact same size as the other one. It won't look the same or look right. And sometimes you need to mess around with it. Like in this video, I messed around with a couple things. Like the eyes, how close they are. I know I didn't like that, so I actually fixed them here. Hold on. Fixing them. Yeah, and now they're the right length apart and the same size and everything. Alright, to make another one, another circle, make it black and make it even just a little bit smaller than the white circles for the outside of the eyes. Yeah, another thing, while I'm doing this, I'm going to need some people to start rating, commenting, and subscribing. I'm not getting a lot of people on my channel anymore like I used to, so if you wouldn't mind, just do that, you know. Okay, yeah, thanks. Yeah. So as you see, I lowered the size down just a little bit, and yeah. I'm gonna make it black and make it small again. You want to have the small eyes or the pupil in the middle of the eye the same color or in the same same width and all, or else it won't look right again, like I'm saying. And you gotta make it just in the middle of the eye, right where I put the other one, make it look same size, exactly the same. Okay, then we're gonna go down to my thumb started hurting during this, like it almost felt like it broke, so I stopped for a second. Go up to the very top, all the way to the left, and go on to the 11th page, and you'll find an oval. Make that all the way up, make it dark orange, and then make it small enough that it matches the Elmo's nose. I don't know how big you want that to be, but I'm making mine about the normal size. And you want to go up to about the middle, and you get the grin. Now the grin, I'm gonna show you guys this. For the grin, what I do, I make it somewhat big and somewhat small. In this video though, I think I delete the grin again because of how small I made it. I didn't want the mouth to be like extremely small like everything else, like other stuff. I wanted the mouth to actually stand out, so I'm gonna probably show you that how I changed the size and stuff. I think I deleted it here in a second. Yeah, I deleted it. I think it's too big. pretty sure after I lower this one, I delete it and make it look better. The second one I'm gonna make is how it's supposed to look like. This is not what it's supposed to look like. Just making another video, and because I delete the grin and make the grin, or basically it's not the grin, it's the mouth of Elmo. So yeah. Actually, I made it just a little bit bigger than the other time. It's starting to look nicer already. Yeah, that's how you do it. And then you end up with something like my plant hair or my emblem, whatever it's called. And yeah, and if you like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Give me a thumbs up if you actually think it's good. If it helped you, give me a thumbs up, because I need, some thumbs up on my videos and stuff. But yeah, anyway, I guess thanks for watching. I guess I'm only like a level 38, and right now with Black Ops, so I'm not like a high level. So yeah, you get something when you're done that looks like that. I'm not gonna save it just because I like the look of my other one better. Like that, it looks the same though. But alright, thanks, rate, comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Peace.